How to get 1099 SSA online. Follow the instruction. Go to the Social Security website at ssa.gov. Click on Sign In or Sign Up in the upper right corner. Click on My Social Security. Click on Sign In to access your account. Enter your username and password. Click on Sign In to continue. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account. Follow the instructions to set up your account. Once logged in, go to the main page or dashboard. Look for the section labeled Replacement Documents. Click on Get a Replacement SSA 1099 or SSA 1042S. Select the tax year you need the form for. Download or print the form as needed. Thank you for watching.